Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Journey's Open Arms on piano. We'll begin by mastering the memorable right-hand melody that opens the song. Then, we'll dive into the foundational verse chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Focus on smooth, fluid transitions between these four essential chords to build a solid base for the entire piece. This will set you up for success. Moving on, the verse section primarily utilizes the C, G, A minor, and F progression we just learned. For the pre-chorus, you'll introduce a subtle change, often moving to a D minor before returning to G, building anticipation for the chorus. It's crucial to maintain a steady rhythm and precise timing as you switch between these chords. Practice slowly to ensure accuracy and a beautiful sound. Now for the heart of the song, the powerful chorus. Here, the chord progression expands, often incorporating chords like E minor and D minor, adding depth and emotion. Your right hand will carry the soaring melody, so ensure it's clear and expressive. Try using a slightly stronger, more confident touch on the keys during this section to convey the song's full emotional impact. This makes the chorus truly shine. Finally, let's tackle the bridge and outro. The bridge provides a beautiful melodic and harmonic contrast, often featuring arpeggiated patterns that require careful fingerwork. Practice these slowly to ensure clarity and evenness. For the outro, you'll typically return to the main chorus chords, gradually fading out to a gentle conclusion. Focus on a smooth, diminishing volume for a perfect ending. You've got this.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.